Hey guys, my name is Maggie and a while back I attended a Kokedama workshop at a local plant nursery with some friends. Kokedama is a Japanese art, it means moss ball. There's something so innately comforting about getting your hands grubby, picking up fistfuls of fresh soil, taking care to cradle the delicate plant in your hands while you create this delightful moss pocket. And practicing your dexterity by wrapping a single thread round and round and round all of it. My arms were so sore by the end of the class, but the teacher was so patient and kind. If you have the opportunity to experience the art form of Kokedama somewhere local, I would highly recommend it. It is so therapeutic. So I have a few Kokedama plants. This is an elkhorn fern or Platycerium bifurcatum. It's called that because the fronds look like antlers, you know, the type you'd imagine Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer to have. I also have two very sad looking Buddha belly figs or Ficus microcarpa, although I'm notorious as an underwatering queen, so the moss that's wrapped around the soil, which was once a vibrant green, now looks more like a loofah. Oopsies. To water a Kokedama, you just pick up the plant, keeping it upright. Then you completely immerse the moss ball into a bucket of room temperature water. The plant will want to float up and bounce around on the surface of the water at first as the air inside the moss ball rises to the surface, so make sure you keep a firm grip on the moss ball to keep it fully immersed until you can't see any bubbles coming out of it anymore. Then lift it up out of the water and let any excess water drain. Voila! It doesn't actually matter the size of your Kokedama, you can water it the same way, as long as your bucket's big enough. Whenever I'm feeling the weight of my Kokedama to judge when I should water it next, I always think of that weird thing we all do when you're picking out fruits for your groceries, like just to feel the weight of each fruit in your hands as if you've got telepathy and you can hear the fruit promising you, I am delicious, pick me. With Kokedama, you need to recognize the weight of the plant in your hands when it's thoroughly watered so that the next time you pick it up, you can recognize how light it feels in your palm, and that's telling you that it needs to be watered again. Now, I actually made my own macrame plant hangers for my Kokedama just to utilize vertical space a bit better, but after a while the macrame hangers can get pretty grubby just because it's directly in contact with the moss itself. So what I do is I just remove the plant from the macrame hanger. I will soak it in some room temperature water with a bit of Vanish washing powder for 2 hours straight pretty much. And then after that soak, you give it a final rinse with some water, squeeze any excess water out and hang it up to dry for a few hours. It may look like you've failed at first because you still see some of that dark pigmentation, but trust me, after it dries out, it'll look so much better. Well, I hope you enjoyed the fruit analogies. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe or comment below on whether you've tried Kokedama before. Bye!